Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we're gonna talk about hashtag. We're gonna clarify all the questions that you have, like what is hashtag, how to use it, where to put it, how to take maximum benefit from it. Before we get started, I request you to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and turn the notification on so that you will never miss my any new videos. So guys, let's get started. First of all, what is hashtag? Hashtag is a simple thing. Like whatever keywords you might be know keywords or tags. You just have to put hash. That's hash. It will be in keyboard shift plus 3. It will be hashtag. Just put before any word, but without space. Like if you want to make a keyword like how to make money, so you should do hashtag and then how to make money. But any word should not have any space. Like you should write it all in the same line without any space. This is the first rule, that you can't use space between any text. If you want to make it look nicer, you just can make first letter of every word capital. Like if you want to make a hashtag how to make money, but it should be look nicer so that people can read. So you should undo first H for how, T for to, M for Mac, and money for M. All the 4 letters will be capital. So it will look different and readable. You can read it. If you notice or not, there are 3 hashtags below my title. First is my name, Monarch Thakkar, my channel. If you search my name in YouTube, you will see the result. And if you click on the hashtag, which is Monarch Thakkar, you will get same result as you see in YouTube search. So it's good for you, and it can help you maximize your search result, maximize your ranking in YouTube searches. So it's better to put tags in every video. From now, whatever new video you upload, you must put hashtag so that it can rank your video faster. Like if anyone watching some video regarding anything, and if it's same in your keyword hashtag, like someone watching video like how to make money, then if you have your tag hashtag on your title, that how to make money, your chances will be high to get your videos and suggested video to their page or related video in their video suggested page, so that it will maximize your search result, maximize your views, and maximize your subscriber too. After that, you might thinking where to put hashtag. It doesn't matter where to put. Like if you put in a title, it doesn't matter. If you put in description, it doesn't matter. If you put between description, below description, first in the description, last in the description, it doesn't matter. YouTube will identify first 3 hashtags from your description or title, and it will make it on top of the title. It will put on top of the title so that people can see that. It doesn't matter where you put, and make sure you don't put more than 15 hashtags as against YouTube's guideline policy. So make sure you put only 15 hashtags. But I don't think that 15 also needed. Only 5 to 6 is more than enough, so that you don't need to make a lot of hashtags, so that it will be easy for YouTube to find out. And make sure you make nicer and first letter of every word capital, so that people can read easily. Like you see my first hashtag, it's Monarch Thakkar. You can properly read it because M for Monarch and T for Thakkar, both are capital, so that people think these 2 words are different. If I type Monarch Thakkar directly without any space, so people won't read it. Without any capital word, without any capital letter, people won't understand what I write. So better to put every word, first letter must be capital, but without space. And yeah, one more thing, make sure you use totally relevant tags to your video. Like if you are making a video like how to make money, and if you put any other tag or other thing like if I'm using this video how to use hashtag, so I'm gonna put how to use hashtag. I'm not gonna put how to make money. It's not relevant. So better you put relevant hashtag related to your video. Don't spam. Don't do any other thing like any hate speech, abusive word, or sexual content or anything like that that break YouTube's guideline policy. So better use every relevant tag. So you don't need to worry. Otherwise your channel might be in danger. YouTube can block your channel anytime without giving you a notice. So better do not do this so that your channel will be safe. I'm gonna put YouTube official video regarding hashtag and one more link with YouTube official announcement and rules and regulation for using hashtag. So you can read there as well and watch the video as well. I'm gonna put both in the description. So please check out my description so that you will understand what it is. After that, what is YouTube's guideline policy? What is policy from YouTube to use hashtag? First, you can't use space in the hashtag. As I said, you can't use space. You don't need to put space. You just can make every first letter of the any word capital, but you don't need to put space between that. Otherwise, if you put space, like if I put space between Monarch and Thakkar, then only Monarch will be hashtag, Thakkar will not. So make sure you don't put any space between any hashtags. The second one, use maximum 15 hashtags. You don't need to use more than 15 tags in the video description or title. I suggest you to put hashtag in description because in title you can put any other tags or anything like that, and title is maximum 100 words, 100 letters, so that you can use in description because description has allotted 5,000 letters. So you better use that. Otherwise, if you use in title, your title will be short. If you want to make longer title, you can't make it if you use hashtag in the title. So better use in description. After that, YouTube said you don't need to put any spam. Like if you put more than 15, like 20, 30 hashtags, or if you put hashtag with irrelative content. Like if your video is for how to use Amazon and you put hashtag how to make money, it doesn't make any sense for YouTube. So YouTube can block your channel. After that, you should not use any hate speech, any sexual content, any irrelative content, or any abusive words in any hashtag or any description or title or anything at all. So better make sure about that. Also, I will put link in description for YouTube that how to use hashtag and what is hashtag about, so that you can watch this. And also I will put my camera setup and my tripod setup, everything's link, how I make videos, so that you can check it out. And if you want, it's everything cheaper, like $2 for mic, and there are many things you can check out in description. And also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, connect me with Facebook, and watch my blog regularly for my regular upload new videos. Okay guys, I hope this helped you. If it, then you can comment whatever your suggestion or about this video, you can make comment. I will reply you as soon as possible. After that, you can share my videos with your friends, family and relatives, everyone. Okay guys, see you then. Until next video, take care. Bye bye.